Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can resize phone. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display and brightness. Following that, scroll down again, select text and display size, and swipe left or right on text size slider in order to adjust it. When you're ready, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!